guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair like this. It's a blowout. All that you need is a blow dryer and some other materials. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The first thing that I did was wash my hair. I let it dry a little bit so it's kind of damp. You need a blow dryer and a straightener, or just a blow dryer if you want to spend 2 hours. Then you need a comb, and you need something to hold sections of your hair. And you also need this. This is the Ion Magnesium Pro Brush. I got this at Sally's. It was like $10. I'm gonna section my hair. I just divided down the middle. So I use the Trust Amino Lipotropic Nutrients Heat Protection. This makes your hair so soft. So I just put this in my hair. You get your brush, make sure it's detangled, and you're going to roll like this, like that, all the way down.
You don't trust what you can see. Some things are left to believe.
And you're gonna roll it all up like this, and you're gonna wait for it to kind of set, and then when you take it out, you just roll it. This part is still going to be a little bit frizzy, and this is where the flattening iron comes through. So I take the top part and just straighten it. This is what the bottom is supposed to look like, and that's what's going to give you that Pinterest blowout effect. And then this part, you want it to be smooth, because why would you want frizzy hair?
You'll be alright, I know.
Guys, I'm wearing some new lashes today, and I feel like they're way too long. Like, they look like spikes. I don't know. Stop laughing at me! Guys, I have a little...
No, okay.
You need to stop.
Okay, no. What went through my head was not what you thought, okay?
She's in middle school, guys. Don't worry about it.
What?
Anyway, straightener part is honestly optional. I'm just really picky, and I hate when my hair is even a little bit frizzy. You roll
That is
it.
not your best role.
She said that's not my best roll. I'm just gonna keep going. Hopefully you guys get the point. Once again,
You
you're
just
just gonna
interrupted me.
jumble everything into one. That's what it should look like. This part should be straight, and then the bottom is gonna be like this.
That's what you can see. Some things are left to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. You feel nothing good in life would be this easy. You don't trust what you can see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. Yeah. How could I lie to you?
If you have an individuality complex, you want to be known as like an individual. You want to be known away from everybody else. You want to be special.
I don't want to be special. I don't. I just want to be that one person in the back of the class.
This just got so depressing. Guys, my cousin is emo. Don't mind her.
I'm not. I am wearing all black, but I am not emo.
This is my emo cousin that has been talking this whole time.
Trust what you can see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. Yeah. How
This is actually the most important part of the blowout, so you guys gotta pay attention.
you'll be alright, I know.
Okay, so now this is what both sides look like. You see the curls are going out. So you're gonna take it forward, right? The part from the back forward, and you're gonna do it away from your face again. So you're rolling back.
Rolling,
Like that.
rolling.
No need try, we just go with the most.
Okay, so I just did the other part, and you see how it's turning into the little layers. This section is super extremely important, so watch more.
The pressure, I be handling business. Get it finished, no extras, don't get into specifics. Wave maker, I came up out the Pacific. So you
The brush goes on top, like this, and you're rolling away from your face. Away from your face. Okay?
some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me, yeah. How could I lie to you? Why you tripping? I just want serenity, so you can miss me with the negativity, and you can witness all the possibilities. And it hit different when you feel the energy, and I'm a lot of energy for enemies. I keep the peace, I let the hate be rest in peace. I take it from the street.
And now you roll.
You don't gotta end, just put it on repeat. Though you don't trust what you can't see. Some things are left to believe.
Now we're down to the last 2 sections. Yay!
Oh my god, you took so long.
I do have curtain bangs, so
It's too long now.
flip them.
Believe me, yeah. How could I lie to you? Don't fake this. I promise we can make it. You trust me, for sure. You'll be alright. I know we have patience. Don't fake this. I promise we can make it. You trust me, for sure. You'll be alright. I know.
This is what the finished product looks like.
Slay
Here's
queen.
the bangs are gonna go like a little wave. I love this hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see me do. All right.